Hi, KGB here. Just going to do an update video. I haven't done one for, I guess, a week or so, mostly because I stream every day. So if you can catch those streams, great. If not, I will try to do update videos every once in a while. This will be brief. None of it's financial advice, just crayon drawings that my kids draw. And maybe now you know what I know. So this is XRP. This is my expectations on the 4-hour chart for XRP. I am expecting big things here. I would fully expect 4 to 435 by middle of June, give or take, June 20th. And Bitcoin as well. So crypto, bullish on crypto right now. Bitcoin expecting 115 to 118 also in the next week or so with a pullback, and then probably up into the 130s by June 20th, give or take, which would kind of coincide with GME earnings. So that'll look good for that. We had some good semiconductor movement here today. SMCI, I will go back to the 1-hour chart here. Looking bullish on SMCI. I'm expecting a big move here in the next, I guess, 2 weeks as well. But mostly focusing on, small caps, meme stocks, whatever. Holo had a nice little run today. Obviously got dumped right back down, but super bullish. I do expect a big move on Holo, MLGO as well, somewhere in here. Fully expecting a move here on these two. And I know lots of people just don't want us talking about this stock for some reason, but here we are. GME, I think we see, there's two scenarios here that I see on GME. For the most part, I'll show you the kind of the macro that following on this. It's pretty exact. As I mentioned before, we're following AMC fractal on GME chart, and vice versa. AMC, we're following GME fractal on AMC chart. And I am pretty confident on this. So that's what we're following. Could it be wrong? Sure. Is it? Doubt it. I think we're right here on AMC. Looking for some bullish action in the next 2-3 weeks, probably up to the $9.50, $10 range. Consolidate a bit here, and then probably keep pushing on up. So AMC, GME looking very good. So the scenario on GME, primarily short term, is one of two situations. Whether, because we got extra volume in here, this thing might have sped up a little bit, pushing us to right here. You see this hook? It could be where we are at here. And if so, then tomorrow we should see $32. Into Thursday and Friday, or into Thursday or early next week, we could hit that 38, right back to the previous top here. If not, then we will sit here until earnings. We will sit here till the 10th and then see this bullish action up. Those are the two scenarios that I see for GME. Bion looking beautiful. We've been following this for a little while here. I'm expecting a big move from Bion in the next couple days. I don't think it's going to wait for GME earnings or anything like that. I think it's going to go pretty quick here. As well as IEP, also very bullish on IEP, and Newell as well. Newell, I actually expect to do this. Now, whether it does it in a short-term time frame or a longer-term time frame, I expect this kind of hook. I'm looking for the hook. Look for the hook right there. RUM, DJT, bullish on DJT. Now, I'm going to go over this kind of with a fine-tooth comb here a little bit for you guys. And I'm going to show you why this fractal looks so weird. So on a 4-hour chart, if you actually look at this, this is right here, this fractal right here is what I think we are following. This is the same thing right here. And I think we are following this almost to a T here. So I think we're right here on DJT. And why I'm using this right here is this portion right here is this portion right here that you see right here. And what I did is I actually copied this and pasted it right on here, just like this. Now, the reason why it's not looking like that here is because we did get an influx of volume. And I'm going to go back to the hourly chart. We did get an influx of volume right here. Now, I had this positioned like this, where this peak matches right here. And then we got the dilution, the money raised for the Bitcoin. And so I was expecting actually a little more time on this, but with the increase in volume, I believe it's sped up, and now we have it like this. Just like this. So same fractal, just the positioning has changed. The speed has changed just a little bit. And now I think we're here. And now I'm waiting for a big move on DJT in the next few days. So bullish on that. Bion, I think I pretty much went over. Did I not? Big move on Bion coming. Carvana has just been steady the whole way through. We've done fairly well on that one. And other stocks such as Chewy did very well. Bitcoin miners, so Mara expecting a big move here. Also following this one of two, the DJT fractal that I just showed you, and or this one. So this one is the MSTR fractal that I'm following here, and also proven to be very well. So AMD, NVIDIA, basically the whole market in general is following this fractal right here. Expecting big things for AMD as well in the next couple days. I expect a bit of a gap up and a hook right there. And you'll see this fractal kind of everywhere I go here in the way of anything to do with Bitcoin. So where's MSTR here? MSTR. So same difference. Also following this kind of range here. I did say when this thing kind of moves like this, we're going to see GME go up, and we did. GME did go up. I do think we're on this last little bit here, but it's been extended into a rounding bottom, and I think we're right in here. So we should see a gap up with a retest and then continuation on MSTR. CETA and GRIP both looking for some bullish action there. HIMS actually followed very well. We're following a new kind of fractal here. I think we see this on HIMS, where we see a retest of the top wedge, a retest of the bottom wedge, and then we get a gap up and go on HIMS. That's what I'm looking for. It's not confirmed, but that's what I'm looking for. FIFI had a great day. I do think we see one more dip on FIFI before pumping, and ChargePoint has followed almost to a T for months now. So looking for a nice move. ChargePoint does have earnings tomorrow night, and I'm looking for this move here. It's not a huge, massive move. It should be about 60-70%, give or take. Finger, we are waiting for this pullback to finish. Bullish on Finger. I think we do have a nice move in the next couple weeks. Maybe a couple 100% actually. So very, very bullish on small caps. This is IWM, and you'll notice this fractal. It's the same one we're following on Bitcoin miners and semiconductors. This one, I think we see a gap up tonight on IWM, also on QQQ. Just something like this, and SPY as well. So excellent day for us today. Had some great movers. Very bullish on the month of June in general. Yeah, SOUN as well. Looking for a nice move here. And yeah, so I thought I'd share that with you. Take it for what you will. And I appreciate you guys watching. Now you know what I think I know. Have a great evening, and if you can, check out the stream tomorrow. Cheers.